Let us now see how EasyAccounts work. A first-time user can register to a system giving the personal details, state, city, number of dependents and the cuisine he offers. The user can then log into a system and can see all the transactions made on a daily basis. By clicking on the Add Transaction button, a new transaction can be created, specifying the category, quantity, amount and the transaction type, which can either be an income or an expense. Thus, all the transactions can be viewed as a snapshot whenever the user logs into the system. And when it's time for the payment of taxes, the amount due can be viewed by clicking on the Calculate Your Tax button. With our machine learning algorithm, we suggest other states where the client can move to depending on the demand of their cuisine, food habits of people, and the taxes in the state. This is EasyAccounts, an intelligent account keeping solution.